Record reflect, we're on the record outside the presence of the jurors. The original parties are present. The jurors have sent 2 notes. I'm going to read them in reverse order. We would like to postpone until tomorrow morning. So they obviously would like to adjourn and go home for the night. Then they have one requesting a list of exhibits, but they say we would like to have these exhibits by tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. They're 25, 26, 94, 95, 103, and 104. But I'd like to first bring the jurors in. Let me give them the admonition. Let me tell them when to report tomorrow morning, and then we'll talk about the exhibits, all right? Sure. All right, Bill, if you can bring the jurors in. Thank you. You may be seated. Jurors, before you left, I wanted to give you this admonition, the same one, don't discuss the case with anyone else. But then I also wanted to address this. When you come in tomorrow morning, you can report to your deliberation area directly. But do not start deliberations until all 12 are present. I don't want 4 of you there talking about something on the side. Deliberation has to be with the entire body of 12. So, the first 3 talk about the weather or pick any other subject, but don't talk about the case until all 12 are present, all right? Is 8:30 a desired time for you? Do you all want 8:30? Anyone want to change the time? You're all satisfied 8:30 is all right? Okay. All right, so then I'll excuse you and then till 8:30, but again, we won't make you appear in court. We'll allow you to go in. When all 12 are present, you can resume the deliberations. All right? Thank you and have a good night. You may be seated. Let's take a short recess and then you can review the exhibits they're looking at so we can go back on the record once you've had that review. All right, court's in recess. All right, let the record reflect we had a significant recess to allow the attorneys to review the requested instructions. Did I print out everything in the printer for me? No? All right. Oh, here it is. First, I want to address exhibit number 26. 26 was withdrawn, been requested by the jurors. And so I proposed then that we have a communication. So I drafted this, and I'll take your arguments on it. Communication by the court to jurors upon jurors' 3rd request. Jurors, you have requested exhibit number 26. Exhibit number 26 was withdrawn, and therefore exhibit number 26 is not evidence. I continue then, exhibits 25, 94, 95, 103, and 104 shall be provided to you. So first, my communication on exhibit number 26, any argument by the state?
If it wasn't offered and it's not in evidence, yeah, we have no objection to it not going back.
Defense argument?
Yeah, no objection, Your Honor, to the statement that the court drafted.
Arguments on 25, 94, 95, 103, and 104?
So we just redacted 5 documents. Are those the 5 you're referring to, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. By stipulation of the parties, the state is willing to stipulate that the redacted versions would go in. I would indicate for the court that the parties did take the time to redact the information consistent with Judge Hinkfist's ruling on a prior motion. So we do believe that what is in there can now be given to the jury. So if the defense stipulates to the document, we're good.
I would stipulate based on the redaction, Your Honor.
All right, so these have been provided either by the clerk or counsel to the bench. These are the redacted 25, 94, 95, 103, and 104. And then both counsel has reviewed these in the redacted version.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, and you both agree that they can go into the jurors' deliberation room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, so so the jurors have gone home, but the bailiff is still here, so I'll direct them, the bailiff at this time deliver the communication by court to jurors upon jurors' third request, as well as these other 5 exhibits they've requested. And I guess I'll order him, the jurors asked for them by 8:30 tomorrow morning. Do you have a preference if we deliver them tomorrow morning or deliver them tonight to the jury deliberation area?
Are they here?
They've gone home.
Oh, I don't really. Well, the only concern I have is you already gave them the insight. They can't deliberate till everyone's there. I guess the state would prefer if they get delivered at 8:30 when we know all of them are there, so we don't have any problem with them reviewing them.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
You agree? All right, so then bailiff, these documents will remain with the clerk, but then tomorrow morning, as soon as the jurors have arrived and all 12 are present, then you're to come to the clerk, obtain these documents, and then deliver them to the jurors. All right, anything else requested on the record tonight, counsel?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, then again, court's in recess. Sure.